Hello friends, today I will try to explain the technique to make these kinds of logos. Here, I am not going to make this same logo as you see here, but I will try to explain the basic techniques that help you to make these kinds of logos. I am also assuming that you guys know the Illustrator. And of course, you can apply this technique in any kind of logo or object. So, let's start it. The first thing I will do. I will come to the ellipse tool, now I will draw a circle. Now I will come over here. And we'll make line solid red. And the fill color will be none. Now I will make the circle's line thicker, as long as it matches the object above. One thing I want to mention, that I did not make these logos. These logos are taken from freepik.com. Which you can see on their website. This is from Freepik and another one as well. Now I will come here. So, I need the same kind of style in my logo. So, if you see the depth of the logo, or in other words if you see the detail and notice it, you will see the shades and stuff. So, again I am only going to tell you the technique that how can you make the same effect or style in your logo or object. First we will do this logo and after that, we will be working on another logo. Now I will come over here and for safety, I am duplicating this and moving here. Everyone has the style of working and I always duplicate stuff, it is my habit, but it is not necessary that you do the same. Now I will come again in the ellipse tool and will make more circles. Actually, if you see the logo above, you can clearly see the curve, the circle which gives the kinda in-depth type of feelings. So, I will create a small circle over here. And we'll make the line a little thinner. And I will also change the color of the circle so I can easily work and it is also recognizable. Now friends, if you see this area, the shades will come from here. For more understanding, check the shades from this logo. These shades give the in-depth look and making the logo more beautiful. I hope you got my point. Again, I am telling you the technique so I will make it a little rough but I believe you will get the idea. Now I will select both objects and with the Alt key, I will select the red circle as I want to make it a base. Now I will make both the object centers. But friends, I want to keep the green circle's left area in the center of the red circle. Now I will make lines to get the center point. Now, if I see the green small circle, I want to make the left area to be center in the red circle. Now I will press Ctrl Y for outline view. Now I am moving this circle to the right hand side so the left of the small circle comes in the center of red or big circle. Please make sure that Smart Guide is on. You can check by going to view and turn on Smart Guide. Now, I'll select the rotate tool. Now I will be pointing my arrow exact center of the big red circle till my Smart Guide tell the intersect point. And I will simply click. Now I will get the pop-up which allows me to write the numbers or degree I want to rotate. I want to make 3 rounds or shapes. I will now open the calculator. I will write 360 as it is a diagram size of any circle. So I will divide 360 into 3, and you can see that the result is 120 degree. I will copy it and simply paste here and we'll check the preview. I will press copy and press the enter key. And we'll press Ctrl D for the duplicate. Now I will select this all and move it in the right hand side by pressing the Alt key so I will have a backup. I will delete these unnecessary lines. Now I will select this big red circle and I will expand it by going to Object and then Expand. Now I will change the colors of these 3 circles. Actually, the reason I put these 3 circles is to get shapes. You can also notice in the above logo. Now I will create shapes based on these 3 circles by using the Shape Builder tool and will duplicate it. Finally, I got 3 shapes. Now I will delete unnecessary objects and will put some colors. I will follow the same colors which I can see above, but you are free to use any color or gradient. I will duplicate it. And ungroup it, as it has some shades and I simply want gradient only. I will remove shades etc. until I get the clear colors area. I will now put the same gradient color by using the eyedropper tool. You can use any color gradient color if you want. Now I will set the gradient in the right direction. Remember, to get a look and feel the same as our reference logo, we have to put the darker shade in the edges. It should be dark to light, not darker to darker or lighter to lighter. I hope you got my point. See this, for example, there is a lighter and darker combination. So, I will try to apply the same process to our logo. I will adjust the gradient by using the gradient tool. Now, I need small 3 pieces for making the dark edges, so I will work on the shape tool and line tool as well. I will simply draw the line and then generate the shapes by Shape Builder tool. The short key is Shift M. After getting part or shape, I will settle the gradient. I will simply click the property of this gradient and then make it pure dark to white with 0 opacity and with multiply option. I will then set the gradient direction. Now, I will apply the same method for creating 2 more shapes, so I can get a total of 3 shapes as required. Adjusting direction, colors, and opacity, etc. for better depth. Now, check the shining in this logo. We will apply the same in our logo. It is very simple and easy. I will create some lines around the shape and will try to get some shapes in, and then I will work on the opacity with the screen mode as well. Remember, we can get the same result only if we keep object to overlapping. Here, overlapping means object above the object. Here, I am creating shapes using the Shape Builder tool. And will give 10% opacity with the white color, and the mode I will be using is screen mode. It sounds that nothing happened, because we must be overlapping the recent shapes to get the result. So keep watching. Do you see it? Once I start overlapping, the result is coming, right? Let's make more shapes and apply the same treatment as we did earlier. All I am doing right now is creating shapes and applying the white color along with opacity of 10% with screen mode and overlapping them. You can play with objects by moving around to get a good result. I am doing the rough, but you can work properly. So, finally, we made the first logo. Now, move on to another object or logo, you can say. First, create the rough lines. Create some smoothness in edges, or you can call it curvy edges. Make the line thicker and then simply make this line into the fill. Simply go to Object and then Expand option. Now to get the same look and feel like our reference logo is, we should have a round in edge. I am making a very rough round or curvy shape, but you can create with perfection. We can get the shape by using the Shape Builder tool, or in Pathfinder we can simply get the result with pressing -front icon. Please remember that it is just to give you an idea, the method, or the process to make such kind of logos. Now, as I got the shape, I will apply the same opacity and color treatment by using the eyedropper tool as we did in our first logo. So, finally, we made 2 logos or shapes. That's all for now. If you like my video, I request you to please like, share, and subscribe. It's my first YouTube video in English regarding the logo. If you guys will like and subscribe, it will give me the courage and I will make more videos. Remember, I am a UI UX designer, working for the last 27 years. So, if I will get more likes and subscriptions, I will also make videos about mobile application design, web design, and lots of stuff. Thanks for watching.